Well, we went for an amount of 7 days. We arrived and we had a little bit of a concentration where we put into practice again what we had been learning for the past 6 months. We had the opportunity to meet new people, debate. It was just truly a great experience. And when the committees actually started, I myself attended to the United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime, where we had the opportunity to talk about topics like country policies, regional division, education regarding cybercrime, and me and my partner, Rebecca Iraskin, had the honor of winning 2nd place in our committee, as well as Marie-Louise Lopez winning 3rd place in her committee, UNICEF. And then at the end, we had a little bit of a closing ceremony where me and my partner Rebecca got chosen to speak in front of 4,000 people, where we had to give a little bit of an introduction about what we had been talking and debating within our committees, about our solutions and all the ideas we came up with within our blocks. And we had the opportunity to speak, like I said, and as a delegation, we actually got 2nd place, an excellence award for 2nd place in the world, so we're really excited.
And that means in the future we're going to hear more about you guys?
Yes, of course. We really encourage everyone who wants to join. This is truly a great experience for everyone. Everyone should get the chance to go to this amazing competition. And it's not only about winning, it's all the soft skills that you get to learn and put into practice. And you really do feel accomplished, even if you win an award or not. It just really feels satisfying to know that you can do this because you look back at who you were before and you look now at who you are, and it's just a huge difference. So definitely.
So how many students went? 7?
6 actually.
6.
Yes.
And all of 6 have like a award that they received?
No, only for the committee awards, it was me and Rebecca and Marie-Louise as a single delegate, but as a delegation, we all got 2nd in the world.
If you have to say a close statement, what it is?
It's one to always remember.